social media has been destroying many girls' self-worth and presents them with distorted ideas of beauty. A lot of girls in this society have many issues with their self-esteem simply because we are being judged on our physical appearance. Girls are constantly being put down because of the social media that portrays expectations on body figures that many people desire. Instagram is often trending with hashtag photogenic, which causes so many girls to spend much of their time trying to take the most picturesque selfie. There are ridiculous challenges running rampant on social media like hashtag thigh gap challenge, hashtag belly button challenge, and hashtag under the boob challenge, causing young girls to suffer with body image issues. Celebrities like Kylie Jenner can often be the root of dangerous challenges. Girls are using harmful methods like suctioning their lips into shot glasses, jars, and bottles so they can get the desired effect of plump lips and post pictures with hashtag Jenner lips. It's all fun and games until people get an inflammation and bleeding that leads to serious damages. It's bad enough that people already feel insecure about who they are, but these challenges automatically pressure young girls to meet impossible and continuously changing standards. In the past, I struggled with these expectations. I was a slim girl during my middle school years and felt self-conscious because of society's expectations of having a big butt, big boobs, and a slim waist. On every magazine cover, TV show, billboard, there were the same skewed images of women. I always felt ashamed and uncomfortable about my body. With the growth of social media trends, the pressure had become even more difficult to match these distorted images and keep up with these absurd challenges. As time went by, my high school years, I've matured and accepted my flaws that I saw in myself and felt proud of myself that I am the way I want to be. I became too busy with family, with school, and the growing of networks of friends, and stopped paying attention to these trends. I no longer wanted to achieve those physical features because I learned to love what I have. I realized that people are different and they are perfect in their own ways, inside and out. Social media trends have only caused damage in people's time, and it's time to change how we choose to look at ourselves and others.